Hello. Today I want to show you how I am doing demo together with ChatGPT. Frankly speaking, he's doing most of the job. So this is a solution we have made together with him during 2 hours of work. This is simply iteration. I'm starting from the original task of the project, and then I get first results of the code. So this original task, the idea was to get a collision between two 3D objects. And then I get his first version of the code, copy it, try it. If it is working, if it has some errors, I put it back to ChatGPT, and that is how we are working together. So then I add some features or change something, split file into how many listings needed. If it's not too long for the one listing, there's this common idea how to work with ChatGPT with long files. Then I mentioned him some error of not working link inside the code, so he was replacing it. Then that was some errors in the code on the runtime of the code. It's a web app, so we were overcoming it, and I was searching for the solutions, for the ideas, and giving him ideas how to work. And altogether it took maybe 10 to 20 iterations of changing the code after we have got a working version. So in the end, you can check the result here. And I would like to know, how do you use ChatGPT or other AI tools for, let's say, no code solution or small code solution at workplace? And do you think one day AI will replace 90% of the developers' work? Thank you. See you in the comments.